Hi everyone, this is Yein from Craftiviti, and I want to show you what we have in our special bundle. This is also called our Facebook Live bundle. In this bundle, we have two different kinds of soap bases you can choose from. One bundle is a shea butter soap base 1 kg, and the other bundle that you can choose is an organic UK product from Stephenson. This organic soap base is also 1 kg. Now the difference between these two is one is organic certified from the UK and one has infused shea butter in it. Both are equally moisturizing. If you have dry skin, I would suggest you go for this. If you've got sensitive and very dry or problematic skin, I would suggest you go for the organic certified product. Now both are very good soaps. They are very mild and gentle and they do very good at cleansing. So along with the set of 1 kg soap base, you will also get a mold like this. You will also get a Yin and Yang lemongrass 10 ml bottle of essential oil, pure essential oil, and an orange soap dye, and a wooden stirrer as well. So everything will come in a box like this. Now, I'm going to show you very quickly how we're going to make this soap out of our 1 kg soap base, and I'm going to use the white shea butter soap. From the block itself, you can cut it into strips like this. If you have a soap cutter, it's safer for you. If you don't have a soap cutter, that's okay. You can use a kitchen knife. But a kitchen knife, just be careful because it's sharp. Now you can slice it like this. Let me show you on a kitchen knife. You can use any kitchen knife. You can slice it like this, or you can dice it up. Either way, it's fine. See, if it's a kitchen knife, it tends to stick to the knife, so you have to be careful. Now, you can cut it into strips like this, or you can cut it into cubes. Either way works. It doesn't matter because you're going to boil everything down. So I have it in cubes like this that I can also boil. Now add that all into my beaker. If you don't have a beaker, you can use a cup or a bowl and melt it in the microwave. There is going to be a recipe card that comes along with this set, so you don't have to worry about it. So melt it in the microwave under low heat. So now you can see all the soap has melted. You can grab a spatula or a spoon, a kitchen spoon, it's fine. And give it a stir around, make sure there's no lumps in it. It's hot, so be careful. Make sure there's no lumps. Now you want to put it in the microwave a very short burst under very low heat, or you can use a double boiler or put it in the oven until everything melts. And then you have cups, so paper cups, or any kind of cup that you have in the kitchen. I'm going to split this into. I'm going to use my orange color dye, just a couple of drops, depending on what color you want and how deep the color you want. It comes out a nice pastel orange. If the color is too light, you can add a little bit more, totally up to you. And over here, I will use my lemongrass yin and yang essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add it to my white base as well. Add about 6 to 7 drops into a mold like this. That should be enough. So I'm going to pour my first soap. I'm going to mix this one up as well, and this will be my white soap. Another one. I have a little bit more here. I'm going to mix some more. More lemongrass. And each time, don't put too much. Maybe about 5-6 drops. Add a little bit more orange here. So this is a very quick way of showing you how to make soap, but there are many variations that you can do. There is even a video of making the soap and adding in natural ingredients like coffee powder and sugar and salt and turmeric to create different colors. So now I'm mixing this too. Totally up to you. Now you have 3 bars of soap and you can continue making, because 1 kg bar of soap like these can make at least 6 to 8 bars of soap. So you've got plenty to go. The smaller the molds, the more soap you get to make. So it's that simple how you do your soap. at home. Now, if you have isopropyl alcohol, all you need to do at home is to give the surface a spray to get rid of any bubbles. The bubbles just disappears very well. If you don't have isopropyl alcohol, that's fine. You don't need it because it's the bottom of the soap anyway. So we'll come back in a bit to demold. I forgot, you have a wood stirrer, so you can stir things with it. I'm going to add more intensity, colors. Add more. There's a lot of color in there. So this one has two layers, one white area at the bottom and the top is an orange colored soap. And this one is a more deep color. Now here's the fun part, time to demold after an hour and a half. So let's go for the first one we made. Nice pastel orange, light orange color, lemongrass smelling soap. Now lemongrass oil, pure lemongrass oil, has really good properties. Great for insect bites, great for itchy skin, really good antimicrobial, antibacterial, antiseptic functions. This is the double layer. So you see, you can make so many different kinds of soap with just one bundle. All you need is a good quality soap base, great pure essential oils, some colorings are optional, and a mold. I have many more videos on my YouTube channel, so please check them out for more ideas. And this is the one where it's a dual color, where I poured together, so you see a nice orange look blended in with white. Now these soaps can be used almost immediately. You're actually good to use it now even. And this one, I added a little bit more color, so it's slightly darker. You can see the difference. It depends, the color depends on you. So many different kinds of soaps you can make and you can use immediately. And the ingredients are pure, natural, and very safe and gentle. So here you go. The link to the special bundle is in the description below. Happy crafting, everyone!